Yeah, this is the FIFA 14 Xbox One controller break. Okay, you go to this other one. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna set the phone down. Alright, kind of wanted to control. There we go. Alright, cool. Alright, as you can see, if I can get my little thing out here. Okay, right here. Alright, as you can see right here, there's a little. See that little white nipple thing? Okay, there's a piece of plastic missing from it because I'm gonna move the controller. Okay, see the other one? So that's got the little gray piece right here by that nipple. And we get the nipple that fell out. And we've done this 3 times, 3 different controllers on FIFA 14. Let's see, yeah, put that piece of plastic. So big. Put the plastic now. So I can show y'all. So that's the whole reason I recorded this. I'll show them the plastic I found out of it. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Retard. Retard. Okay, you see anywhere, Jared? Help me kind of look. Oh, no. There it is. Okay, cool. Alright. Alright, back you two, sorry. You can bear with me. Okay. I'm just gonna sit on this glass right here. Kind of show you. Okay. That right there has fallen off. Or broken off. I'm not sure. We're just kind of slowly getting there. But we've done it 3 of them. All on FIFA 14 because we mashed this shit out of our controls. Okay, let me show you again. See that nipple? Well, I guess I can set this thing down. Alright.
Nothing to do with the main piece of shit.
Okay, let me see. Okay, here we go. One time.
I'll say that they just want to red truck.
They did what?
Red truck blade.
Oh yeah, they didn't put nothing on the truck either.
The
Yeah, you better throw it on the ground. Alright, see right there, guys? There it is. The little plastic piece right here. Right here. Slides right in that nipple, and it keeps like, and it'll grind it'll grind, and you'll start running a straight line. And you can't pull out of it because it gets hung up. Let me show you on this one. All right, almost there, almost done, Jared. Okay, right there. See it? So, if y'all know how to fix it, let me know. Shoot. Peace.